Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Basics, where you learn big concepts in very basic terms. So let's start it with me, myself, Dr. Meenakshi. In today's lecture, we will discuss about velocity, and in previous lecture, we have discussed about speed. Now, in fact, both velocity and speed are the almost equal things. The only difference is the direction of motion. In speed, motion may be in any direction, but in velocity, motion is specified to a particular direction. So, we can say that velocity is nothing but speed of an object moving in a definite direction. That means whenever we have to talk about the direction of motion, then term is used velocity. Suppose you are moving from one place to another place and you are saying that I am going from home to school in east direction, or you can say my home is in east direction, is in west direction, then you are defining the term velocity. And if you are saying that I am moving with a speed of 40 km per hour without mentioning direction, then it is speed. Now the definition of velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. Similarly, speed is defined as distance per unit time and velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. Now try to understand difference between these two terms with an example. Now suppose you are going from home to school and in return journey you come to bookshop. The time taken for the entire journey is 1 hour. Now in this journey, distance covered by you is 8 km. That is from O to B plus B to A. That is the total path length. That is 8 km. And displacement we have defined, that is difference between final position and initial position. Here your final position is at bookshop, which is 3 km from your initial position, that is from your home. So here displacement is 3 km. Now accordingly we will calculate speed, that is equal to distance upon time. So here it is 8 km divided by time taken is 1 hour. So speed is 8 km per hour and velocity is displacement divided by time. So velocity is equal to 3 km per hour. Here you can find the difference, that is both distance and displacement are given, but speed is much greater than your velocity because velocity depends on the displacement, that is the final position and initial position. Now another example, a car is moving in a circle of radius 1 km in 20 minutes. That means the car is covering the entire distance just in 20 minutes. Here velocity, guess? Correct. It is 0. Why 0? Because car came to its initial position after covering the entire distance. That is, its displacement is 0 and velocity is displacement divided by time. However time it will taken, its displacement is 0 because it comes to its initial position by covering a distance of 1 km. Clear? Now next concept is some facts about velocity. First is, it is a vector quantity represented by a small letter v because it depends on the displacement, and we have earlier studied that displacement is a vector quantity. Second is, its unit is same as the speed, that is meter per second, kilometer per hour, centimeter per second. And third is, it is less than or equal to the speed. In the previous example, we have studied that the speed of the vehicle of your motion was 8 km per hour and the velocity is 3 km per hour. It is because displacement is always less than or equal to the distance, and velocity depends on displacement and speed depends on distance. Now average velocity, it is defined as the total displacement of a body divided by the total time taken to cover that displacement. That is, average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. Now here is a one big concept. That is, we have calculated average speed as the total distance divided by the total time. But average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocities for a given time period. Average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Because velocity is a vector quantity and vector quantities cannot be added normally as we can add scalar quantities. Being vector quantity, average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of the initial and final velocity. Here is formula is V average is equal to U plus V divided by 2. Here V average is the average velocity of the body, U is the initial velocity of the moving body, V is the final velocity of the moving body. So main difference between speed and velocity is velocity a vector quantity and speed a scalar quantity. Now try to find these questions, give their answers in the comment section, and if you not find, we will try to find them in the next slide, next video. Under what conditions is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed? Means you have to mention the condition when average speed and average velocities are equal. Our second question is, what does the odometer of an automobile measure? And third one is, what does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? That means when you are moving under a uniform motion, that means equal distance in equal time interval, then what will be the path? What will be, whether it will be a circular, it will be a straight line, it will be a rectangle. Clear? So be connected and feel free to contact at physicsbasic2020@gmail.com. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.